Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to auto-sync in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, I'm just going to create a new project and from there, I will be able to start adding media so we can add some syncing or to sync it with audio. So I'm just going to click on plus and from here, I'm just going to choose these pictures and from there, we will be able to start syncing audio for them. Basically, there is no direct way to auto sync. Like there isn't a tool that says an auto sync or so you can add an auto sync for audio and video. Otherwise, Instagram would automatically auto sync your audio depending on your content. So it will try the best so it can have like an auto sync audio within your pictures. It is like the Instagram Reels editing. So now we will be needing to add some audio or music or whatever. And from here, I'm just going to click on the audio panel. And this will show you all the audio that are available on Instagram library. And you can choose it or do whatever you like. So I'm just going to choose anything. So let's just click on this one, for example. And here you will need just to choose this one. And better choose these parts that are highlighted that says or that gives you the better parts of the sound. And as you can see, it will be fitting your audio. And this way you will have like an auto sync audio within your video clips and then you can export it to your Instagram or to your camera roll. So thank you for watching and see you next time.